Oh, wow. It's moving at a fast clip. Wow.
Yeah.
Right, there's definitely rotation probably going to happen in this. If not, it's just going to be extremely high wind.
Probably has a lake.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, and that's why we don't usually end up with tornadoes.
Because we're so close to the lake. Yeah, I know.
It goes to the lake as water spouts as it has the least resistance.
Yeah. Just a 10% chance of where my parents live, so that I'm small amount of worry. Whoa.
Just that undercurrent of rumbling is kind of creepy.
Yeah. like a giant dragging a huge axe behind it.
Just a little unsettling.
Yeah. Like I said, the slot machine in a casino creepy.
Wait, how are slot machines creepy?
It's that constant undertone hum of the slot machines. Yeah.
Okay.
Like the
Yeah.
of like hundreds of machines doing
Whoa.
that. It's kind of a creepy undercurrent.
It's a that would be considered overstimulation for some people.
It disturbs me. Like I'm okay with losing my $20 and getting the hell out of casinos.
I have yet to have gone gambling at all, really.
Yeah, that's something where you leave the credit cards, debit cards.
Oh, yeah.
And only take cash you plan to.
It's 50 at the most for me. Whoa! I got that.
All sorts of awesome lightning.
Oh, mighty Zeus and Thor. We beseech thee. Thank you for the awesome light show. Those are really cool. Yeah. Majestic.
Except it looks like there's another line of clouds after that.
Yeah, that's over the lake, isn't it?
No, lake is that way.
Lake's that way. Oh, okay. Ooh. That's some vertical lightning. Wow. Very nice footage. Nice. Yeah, that's rolling thunder. It's just all over the place. It doesn't stop.
Yeah, that's a pretty darn powerful storm.
Yeah. To be honest, that story I was telling you with the tornado above our heads, that was probably the worst one I've ever been through, because it was an actual tornado. But it is not the one that caused us any damage. We've had like ones with just high winds that blew a door off, threw the trampoline away.
Oh yeah.
Down the street, quite a few yards, I'd say. Actual backyards. We had a windstorm so bad when my dad was alive, it busted open our screen door and went against the house, and I was old enough to like just try to close it. It took all my strength. The wind was blowing that hard. Because, well, you live out in the country, there's nothing to stop or dissipate the wind.
Yeah. We're living all on flat farmland.
Mm-hmm.
Not like here where there's houses and trees and shit.
Yeah. And getting pelted with hail.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Ooh.
I never see them outside.
Neighbors?
People live
Oh, wow. Should wave hi awkwardly, my
No, I don't think so. They're not like my neighbors.
Aw. She's gonna flip you off or something.
no, just, you know, they parked it early and they run it every single time.
Ah,
Well, it's kind of.
bunny rabbit. Was. Whoa.
I'm gonna go back in.
Alright. I'm gonna stand here in awe and majesty of this wonder that we call nature. Then wonder what it would look like, this kind of storms would look like on another planet. If it's Earth-like, it'd probably be the same. There's the calm, the caboose of the storm here. That majestic cloud there, mountainous. Puffy and white. Looks like you could grab it. It's so thick. Like cotton.
Yeah, it's coming up on sunset, so you look at the weird, pinkish orange color to it.
Yeah. I think I'll take about 30 seconds more of this and then close it down before my battery dies. Wow, I could stand out here till this whole thing is gone, or sit as we used to do back in the day. Nature gives you a show, brother, you best appreciate it, because it's better a show than a torture session. i.e. your whole house and household being relocated by a said storm. Never a good thing.